So you bought that fancy, overpriced faucet for your kitchen sink, only to realize it's completely useless when you try to attach a hose. Of course, because heaven forbid you wash your backyard with it. The hose just won't fit. It's like trying to marry a square peg with a round hole. But don't panic. The genius solution? A humble toothpaste tube. Yes, the same one you were about to toss in the trash. With it, you can finally connect that stubborn hose. Watch this trick and see how laughably easy it really is.